Hey guys, today we're talking about the 10 best throw blankets of 2024. Throw blankets are a great way to add a touch of coziness and style to any space, and they're also perfect for curling up with on a cold day. Whether you're looking for a soft and fluffy blanket to cuddle up with, or a stylish blanket to add a touch of personality to your decor, there's a throw blanket out there that's perfect for you. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. This sounds like a very versatile and cozy blanket. It is thickened and fluffy, making it perfect for keeping you warm on a cold winter night. It can be used as a bedspread, a sofa cover, or a throw blanket, and it is available in a variety of colors and patterns. Number 4. Soft blanket quilt lamb wool double layer thick warm blanket coral fleece blanket throw blankets for beds winter product sell points warm. This blanket is made of high quality lamb fleece material, which is very soft and warm. It can be used as a bed blanket, sofa blanket, etc. Soft blanket, crafted with the finest fabrics and materials. You can rely on the quality of this microfiber polyester blanket to provide you with unparalleled warmth and comfort. All seasons. Suitable for all seasons spring, autumn and winter. Winter suitable for bed, sofa, camping, colds. Number 3. Sofa throw blanket Nordic style color woven blankets bedspread on the bed for home, living room, bedroom and travel. 130-170 centimeters TJ 4155, multi-purpose blanket. 4 Seasons Company 100% acrylic construction and size, made of 100% high-quality acrylic, very soft silky lightweight touch, cozy and warm, thin throw, strong anti-sunlight, and excellent light fastness. Print just on one side, measures 50x60, weight 1.15 pounds. Quality in the process, use high-speed weaving equipment, high knitted density, skillfully crafted design with geometric pattern and rolled fringed edges for a beautiful finish. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Environmental printing, dyeing, doesn't shed. Barina guarantees to provide 1-month return and replacement free service. Versatile, perfect for snuggling up on the couch, that is decorative, movie theater, park, farmhouse, or Christmas gift. When camping for any occasion, easy care machine wash colors separately, wash in cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry, low iron. Note there may be some color difference due to the different resolution of the computer display screen. Number 2. Theater camping blanket warm lightweight waterproof quilted thickened fleece throw blanket for picnics, outdoor, hiking, beach. The Theater camping blanket is a warm, lightweight, waterproof, and quilted thickened fleece throw blanket that is perfect for picnics, outdoor hiking, and the beach. It is made from high-quality materials and is designed to be durable and long-lasting. The blanket is made from a soft and comfortable fleece material that is also warm and breathable. It is also waterproof and windproof, making it ideal for use in all weather conditions. The blanket is also quilted, which helps to trap heat and keep you warm. The Theater camping blanket is also very lightweight and packable, making it easy to carry with you on your outdoor adventures. It comes with a convenient carrying bag, so you can easily store it in your backpack or car. Here are some of the features and benefits of the Theater camping blanket. Warm and lightweight, waterproof and windproof, quilted for extra warmth. Soft and comfortable fleece material, durable and long-lasting, lightweight and packable. Comes with a convenient carrying bag. The Theater camping blanket is the perfect blanket for Number 1. Knit blanket throw soft chenille yarn knitted blanket machine washable crochet handmade knit throw blanket for couch bed. Product feature 100% brand new and high quality. Easy to clean, soft comfort, easy to care. Season winter material polyester plus cotton. Size suitable for children, adults, parents and grandparents. 150x 200 centimeters 59.05 x 78.74 inch 180 x 200 centimeters 70.86 x 78.74 inch 200 x 230 centimeters 78.74 x 90.55 inch